So I'm just going to find the true length of the line AB here. So what I have given here is a elevation and a plan of a line. So this is my elevation up here above the XY line, and below the XY line is my plan of the object, so looking down the object. A and B are both just directly opposite each other on the XY line. Now to find the true length, so if them lines were both, if that line was horizontal or vertical and plan, then I wouldn't need to find the true length. But because these lines are offset, they're at different angles to the XY, that means they're not a true length. So we'll have to go about a process to try and find the true length. So I'm going to project off from the plan perpendicular to this line AB, and then I'm going to take my heights from the XY line to the to A and B, project them up on my X1, Y1, and that's going to give me my true length of my line AB. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to use a construction line I just already made out, and I want to draw this line. I'm going to make it perpendicular. I'm going to want to go up high enough with it so that I have loads of room. So I'm going to go perpendicular to this line. It ends out going to be the point out there. I'm just going to move that into the place there at, I'll turn off my snap on. Move that into B. So that green line is perpendicular to the line AB. I'm going to copy that line. Obviously, if it was drafting this, I'd be using my sliding set squares. But just because I'm doing it in AutoCAD, I'm doing things just a little bit different. So that's another line, another construction line perpendicular to A, the line AB, should I say. So I have it projected off at 2 points. Now I want to draw an X1, Y1, which is going to be perpendicular to these construction lines again. And I'm going to change my layer again. So I have, I'll start my line maybe somewhere around about here. And I'm going to go perpendicular to this line. So it snapped onto it. Now that's my, that white line is my X1, Y1. I'm going to just annotate that in so that we can make it good and clear. So X1, delete that again. X1. And just change the size of it so we can see exactly what we have. I'm going to move that into place then. I'm going to go make my Y1. That a 10 again. Move that. Now, so what I was saying earlier on is I want to take the heights from, I want to take the heights from my X1, Y1 back to my elevation. So if I was doing this by drafting, I'd be getting my compass, putting my pin here on the X1, XY line, and just putting my nib up to the point. So, but I don't have that here. So what I'm going to use, I'm just going to measure the distance from the XY line. So that distance from the XY to B is 60. You can see there, 60. And the line, the distance from the XY to A is 20, which you can see in the left as well. So what I'm just going to do here, I'm going to change my layer again. I'm going to create a circle. And I want to make this at radius 20. And I'm going to make another one at point here, radius 60, because that's my heights. Now, so all I have to do then, where them circles intersect the green line, that's my point or my height of either of both A and B. So I'm just going to annotate them again, or I don't have to annotate them. I can copy these ones that are already here. Imagine A is up there. B is just in there. So if I was to just get rid of this construction line here, this red, that line now, AB up here, that's the true length of your line. So we found that by going perpendicular to the plan, AB, taking our height stem back from the elevation, stepping them off from our X1, Y1.